go deeper. I'm like, bro, it's hitting the west pole already. You just let go and I'm like,
I hit my head so hard the other day. I like remember everything. I'm out there to surf, not out there to watch. I've been surfing my whole life, so I could, yeah, train for it. You know, if I made every wave that day, I'd probably be going to bed like, oh, maybe I should have went a little bit deeper here. You know, that wave earlier that I was too deep on, I ended up too deep and got licked. I don't really fatigue too much out there. It's what I want to do. If I'm not falling and getting pounded, then I don't think I'm going as far as I should be, or pushing my surfing as far as I should be.
go around.
My goal is to be able to surf that wave, be able to do turns in critical places of the wave, and ride it like a smaller wave.
Slow down.
Instead of just dropping in and fighting to the shoulder and just, you know, being happy you made it, I really want to just surf the wave.
I've never seen Jaws before. I've never even been on the cliff and watched it.
Go, go, go!